How's it going, YouTube world? Welcome back to the channel. I was watching a fellow YouTuber, Just GQ. He had previously did a video on riding in the rain, and I must say I agree 1000% on everything he said in this video. For the most part, like he said, have a full face helmet, heavy gear, and thug it out, as he said. And you got to pretty much be careful when you ride in the rain. Give yourself enough stopping time. This is just a few clips of me being caught in the rain on some of my rides. So y'all be careful out there.